Hi, I'm Dominique.
Hi, I'm Kenz,
And we're showing you how to make hash browns with ketchup. Okay, this may take a little bit, but you gotta get the plates out. Plates, forks, ketchup. Can't forget ketchup. Shake the ketchup up.
Forget ketchup.
Oh!
No, it's
Over
bad.
here we have the hash browns. Hash browns. Oh, okay.
There we go.
Wait.
You see?
Perfect. Good. These are hash browns.
Hash browns.
Hash browns.
Boom, different hash browns.
They're taking a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit long. Kinda.
Yes. So, while we're waiting for the hash browns, random dancing. Wanna trace me and Kenzie off and dance off? And yo, ha. Give it to us. Anyway, last two hash browns. Hash brown cooking.
Cooking the hash browns.
There's steam in there.
Attack of the forks.
No, we use hard forks.
Oh. Attack of the hard forks.
Attack of the elastics. Woo! You put the lime in the coconut and stir it all up. You put the lime in the coconut and stir it all up.
Killer force. You had a picture of Dominique sailing. That was part of her show, you know.
That was planned.
That was the plan.
The lime, the coconut, and stir it. Check out the hash browns.
Look at the hash browns. They're getting brown. Hash brown. Now, brown cow.
Now, brown cow.
What kind of water?
Look. Oh, Morris. Oh, Morris. Oh, Morris.
Yeah, it's one tusk.
I'm a one-toast Morris. Yeah? Let's check on the hash browns.
They're taking very long.
Cook. And when you cook hash browns, you want to cook them fast, make them crispy
And kind of an orangey brownish color.
Yes.
I mean, if they turn out green, you're doing something wrong.
They're wrong. And if you put too much ketchup on, you drown in ketchup. It's not going to work. So you have to. We'll show you later how to put the ketchup on.
Yes.
Okay. We'll show you how to do that.
Come here, Taylor. Taylor's the hash with that.
Hey.
Oh, you.
Oh, what?
Oh, wow.
Look up here, we have two, and they're pointy. I mean, a uniboob. Who else has unibrows? I got a unitit. Back off, buddy. Hey. Taking on the hash browns.
Stop finding.
They're still. They're getting kind of crispy.
Really?
No.
You got my whole stuff and you pushed them. You're just going on my face. Oh, buddy.
This hill is going on this hill. So you know how to fix hash browns. And when you forget Pam like we did.
There was no Pam, and see, I left it all together. No Pam.
No Pam.
No Pam. I mean, there's Julie.
There's Hershey Cocoa.
I mean, there's Julie, and then there's
Salt.
Victoria. There's no Pam, though. Pam's not in there.
Pam's not in there. What else do we have in here? We got sugar, pepper.
Help
Olive oil?
Olive oil. Help me.
Curry powder. It's like a help for cookies. Make sure to watch our cooking show often.
We're starting to get brown crisps on them.
Now, brown cow.
Now, brown cow. When they're starting to get crisps on them, do not be alarmed. This is just the part of cooking hash browns. Okay.
Well, this is portion 1 of whatever this is called, the Kenz Cooking Show with Kenzie and Dominique. Please watch portion 2 now. Thank you. Now, brown cow.